home for a couple weeks. There's our camp over here at main camp by tiles. Woo, woo. This morning we're having van aide and we're getting ready to have people come over and get their rigs fixed. And this is the free pile for people that might need a few things. Some wood nails and some curtains, some lamps. All this stuff could be useful to people that need it. Getting ready for the van build. Build a couple beds today. Chem will.
Around here in Nomad land, we just bought an airport. We're upgrading our community.
Our first contestant, who's going to have some work done on her van. And Cam is ready with all his equipment.
So how does this work?
So you sign up like for whichever you need. This one's for carpentry, this one's for the sewing. And I'm not sure what that one's. Sewing tent. So they're doing sewing for curtains. This one is for signing up for electrical. So now I'm gonna make some coffee for the people that are needing some work done. They're just standing around, so I thought I'd make some coffee for them.
In case you were looking at, I saw you. Perfect. Yeah, that's why I need to buy that.
Just getting things ready for the morning. We have some people here ready to work on some projects, so let's go see what's happening around camp. Somebody's getting a headboard today, and somebody else is getting another bed today. So let's see who arrives.
Van aide put in a bed.
Woo, look at that. It's like a
making a yummy salad with Brussels sprouts, cabbage, and lettuce, and romaine, and kale, and apples and mushrooms, and crunchy onions, and what else? Seeds, avocados, croutons, and lemon. Good morning vibe here at Center Camp. Van aide. Mimosa wash. There's my slab friend. What do we got cooking over here? Hi, good morning. I'm making confetti, blueberry, and banana pancakes. Reiki energy healing happening right now. We're going to this tree over here. So let's pick this tree. It's nice and shady.
In that white band? In Reiki, the only thing that you have to do is receive. And in any given moment in life, we have the opportunity to receive to the degree that we're willing. So it's all just to drop into the willingness to receive healing, to receive insight, to receive
Look at all this stuff. Awesome. Good for you. How exciting. So Jeannie got a new bed today.
Now, that's a hard one.
And some storage space.
That's your shirt.
I think she got what I did what she wanted.
Happy Valentine's Day dinner. I'm searing this right now. I'm gonna make a roast. There's carrots and taters and jalapenos and cabbage and other such sorts. Windstorm today.
But it would be a really long.
Hello there. What is she saying?
Oh, they were so delighted. Yesterday I made them. I cut up all the apples. I cut up all the
Look at
apples.
the eyes, they're so
Put
pretty.
minerals in there with brown sugar, hoping they'd drink a bunch. But they just were so thrilled. Duke was watching me every cut I made. He was watching it.
Right.
This is a snow moon, y'all.
Snow moon?
This moon is in Leo,
Uh-oh. We're in
and the
trouble now,
sun
Ken.
is in Aquarius. And
I know, but you aren't. Aren't you a Leo?
yes, I'm a
That's
Leo.
why I said we're in trouble, Ken.
I have a whole bunch of materials here. All this plywood cut-offs and stuff. Do you know who would need this? Would you like it, or should I just drop it off at the front? There's also this stuff, which is an old wardrobe, which is pressboard, or whatever that stuff is, that gluey shit. And then some of this stuff. Thank y'all for watching. Please remember to comment and like, and if you would be a dear, please subscribe. Bless your heart.